So, Brandon, what are we having today?
This is the Jack Daniel's American Single Malt. This whiskey is only available at select military bases and overseas, and in some of the airport gift shops if you're traveling out of the country. This is 90 proof, and it is finished in Oloroso sherry barrels. It does come in a 1 liter bottle. Hopefully soon, Jack will be making this available to the American public. All right, right off the bat, you can tell it's got a very dark color and a reddish hue to it. I attribute that to the Oloroso sherry finish. It lightly coats the glass.
I was going to say, it's the way that
Mm-hmm.
it's gathering on the back.
Yeah.
I didn't know if maybe I had something in my blend. It's a little ethanol forward, but it is a fresh crack.
Yep.
Gotta put some air on it. See if I can get some more notes out of it.
Yep.
It's kind of like a dark fruit on the nose with the brown sugar.
Yeah. It's definitely a red fruit. I'm almost getting a chocolate note.
I don't know. There's something there. I'm gonna go in.
Yep.
Mm.
Oh, that's a little bitey for 90 proof.
It's very bitey. It drinks more like 100 proof.
Mm-hmm.
Now, on the palate, it's kind of tingly.
Yeah. Which I'm not seeing an age statement on here. It could be youth.
On the finish, though, it's kind of peppery.
Mm-hmm. All right, now I'm getting more of the that little bit almost like sulfur, and to me that's indicative of the sherry finishing.
On the finish.
Yeah. Now this is not going to be your typical Jack Daniel's profile on this bottle because it is a single malt. So you're not going to have those banana type notes that you would normally get from
the
Jack Daniel's.
Right.
Yeah. But I mean, it's a good pour. It's good whiskey.
Yep. You know what I'm thinking with this? Peppered pastrami.
Okay. I could see it. That probably would cut through some of the sweetness because this is very sweet.
But with that peppery
Mm-hmm.
on the finish, that it just makes me want something peppered.
Yeah.
So that pepper pastrami is pretty good stuff.
That or even a corned beef would be good with this.
Yeah,
With the spices.
that's in it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I could see that too. If I'm doing corned beef, I'm gonna have some cabbage, and I put pepper in that too,
Yeah.
and red pepper.
Oh yeah. But even at 90 proof, you get it's really buttery on the palate. You definitely get the sugars in it, like a dark brown sugar. The red fruit comes in really solid on this. I mean, it's a really good pour. I would not pay over retail for this, and I mean it averages about $60 to $80, and you get 1 liter.
Yeah.
And I mean, I think that's an appropriate price point.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely an interesting pour.
Oh yeah.
It's not something that we don't have anything else like it just sitting on the shelf that's got the same type of notes like that.
No, we don't. But I mean, very interesting pour. If I was to replace this, like I said, I wouldn't pay over retail.
Right.
And the pastrami or the corned beef would be really good with this.
Mm-hmm.
With the sweetness of this right here, as far as a cigar pairing, I would look at a My Father or an Alec Bradley. You know,
I could see that. I think I would pair something vanilla flavored for me
yeah.
to kind of bring those vanilla notes out a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, all in all, not a bad pour.
Nope.
I'm happy with it. If you guys have had this, drop us a comment down below. Let us know what your thoughts were. And we want to thank you guys also for the incredible response we've gotten from our last video. And we promise we're going to have even better things coming in the near future.
That's all right.
Okay, well, I think that's going to do it for us today.
And in case some of y'all know, we had a guest today.
Yeah.
Our youngest boys just got home from Texas, so he's wanting to come in and partake with a couple of pours this afternoon.
Yeah, he hadn't had this one either, so that who you saw walk behind us and then looked like Thing reaching out and grabbing Mary's, that was him. But all in all, we're really grateful and we appreciate all the support that you guys are giving us. All right, well, I think we can go ahead and close out there.
So we just have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Till next time, our friends.
Cheers.